Anyone not used any hand planes, and we're all familiar enough with it, we can, this is something. I'm not going anywhere, so if you... Again, measure up approximately 8 mil. I usually work in imperial, so I'm just guessing around maybe 6 mil, 8 to 10 mil. If you want to take the time to come in with a chisel and create a little V groove. The lock on the bars here is to adjust your fence in and out. So take your measurement in and out. And this is a depth stop. We're gonna inlay a brass piece of our brass rod, the same stuff we used on our hand planes, into one end. So when you're striking the iron, you're hitting it with the brass. When you're striking the wedge, you're hitting it with the wood. So much, well not so much, the thickness of a pencil line, but enough there. So if you can work your way around like that and be left with just that whisker of a knife line again, that's a good thing.